Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the Fritz and Lab YouTube channel, again with you. Today we're going to talk about a gyroscope, which is a mechanical or electronics device that measures the rate at which it rotates. So it rotates at a rate and then it measures it. This model in specific is the L3G4200D from ST Semiconductor. It is being connected to a ESP32 C6 via I2C. You can see the two wires in here. These are the two wires, the SDA and SCL wires, which come to here. They come to here. This is the circuit board I'm talking about, the ESP32 C6. I made it. You can see schematics for it in my blog, fritzandlab.net or fritzandlab.com.br. But let's come back to the gyroscope. So this is the gyroscope, as I said. I'm gonna show you the Arduino IDE. So you can see that the values of X, Y, and Z are changing, but they are somewhat stable, right? They are stable, but they are changing. Now I'm gonna move around the board like this, the breadboard like this, and you're gonna look at the values. See, I'm moving around. The values are moving a lot, lots of different values. If I rest it, it comes back to rest. It comes back to being stable. Let's move it again. I'm moving it again. So lots of different values. So this is what a gyroscope does. It measures the rate at which the board, in this case, rotates. Hope you guys liked it. See you guys in the next video.